everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many drummers and home studio enthusiasts have been curious about, the Rockville PRO-D7 kit. This isn't just a single microphone. It's a comprehensive 7-piece drum mic package designed to get a full drum kit mic'd up and ready to record or perform right out of the box. What makes this kit stand out immediately is its all-inclusive nature. Imagine getting 7 microphones, all the necessary stands, and even the XLR cables to connect everything. That's exactly what the PRO-D7 kit delivers. For anyone who's ever tried to piece together a drum mic setup, they know the headache of finding compatible stands, the right length of cables, and then the microphones themselves. Rockville has clearly thought about the user experience here, providing a solution that eliminates much of that hassle. Let's break down what's inside. The kit features a dedicated kick drum microphone, which is crucial for capturing that low-end punch and fundamental thump. There's also a snare drum microphone, essential for getting that crisp crack and body. Beyond these two core elements, the PRO-D7 kit includes several pencil condenser microphones. These versatile mics are perfect for overheads, capturing the overall sound of the cymbals and the kit's ambience, or they can be deployed on individual toms or even hi-hats, depending on the desired sound and setup. The flexibility these pencil mics offer is a significant advantage, allowing drummers to experiment with different miking techniques. Connectivity is straightforward and professional, utilizing standard XLR connections for all microphones. This ensures compatibility with virtually any audio interface, mixer, or snake system, making integration into an existing setup seamless. The inclusion of robust stands for each microphone is a huge bonus. These aren't flimsy, throwaway stands. They're designed to hold the mic securely in place, which is vital when dealing with the vibrations and dynamics of a drum kit. And of course, having all the necessary XLR cables means there's no last-minute scramble to find the right lengths or types. This kit truly caters to a wide audience. For the aspiring drummer looking to record their practice sessions or create demos, it provides an accessible entry point into quality drum miking without breaking the bank. For the gigging musician playing smaller venues, it offers a reliable and portable solution for live sound reinforcement. Even for more experienced engineers working in home studios, the PRO-D7 kit presents a fantastic value proposition as a secondary or primary drum mic setup. It's about convenience, completeness, and getting a solid foundation for capturing drum sounds. The Rockville PRO-D7 kit really simplifies the often complex world of drum miking, offering a ready-to-go package that empowers drummers to achieve a professional sound with minimal fuss.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.